Here we are here, John, out in the middle of the road, drops down into a big culvert. As you can see, there's the river going through it, pretty much. We're just going to come back. We've marked where the edge of that is, out on the road. There you go, John. Here's the camera here. There's the beacon. Tap the hole in. You should be able to just go back past there. There's a little bit of concrete just underneath. I reckon you'll get onto the connection. So we're just going to come out to where the mark is on the road, to where the connection is into the main.